Rarely available first floor, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage unit offered decorator quality and turnkey. The golf course and preserve view home has an excellent, quiet location midway along the Arthur Hills course design 3rd hole. The lanai has golf ball resistant, sliding windows making it a year-round prime living area. The unit is updated and improved throughout, including granite, stainless steel, a walk-in shower, and is mitigated for radon. There are tile floors in the public areas, a separate laundry room, carpet in the bedrooms. The unit comes move-in, live-in ready. Forest Glen features an 18-hole bundled golf course ranked in the top tier by Golf Advisor and has tennis, pickleball, and bocce courts, pools, a super restaurant, pub, poolside bar and grill, real nature trails, all situated in a superb mid-Naples location.